Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about reading and writing files on your local file system. For this, we will use fs package. Let's see how we can read data from the file. So go to the project and inside this project, just create a text file. So just click here on new file and let's say file name is message.txt. Alright. Inside this message.txt file, just write here a message like this is a text message from file. Okay, now save this file and now go to the index.js file and here require the fs package first. So just type here where fs is equal to require and here just pass here the in single quote just write here fs. Alright, now read the content from the message.txt file. Okay, so just type here fs dot read file and inside the read file method pass here the three parameter. Okay, first parameter is file name which is message.txt. So write here message.txt. Second parameter is uh, just pass here the utf8. Okay, utf-8 and third parameter is a callback function. So just write here function and inside this function just pass here the two parameter error and data. Okay, inside this function just print the data. So write here console dot log data. Okay, to a string. All right, now save the file and let's check. So go to the command prompt and inside the command prompt just type here node index.js. Okay, and you can see here the text from the text message from the file. All right, now if you want to catch errors such as the file you are trying to reach isn't found, then you can do like this. Just write here if error, then just print the error. Okay, so just write here console.log and print the error, and if error is not, then print the data. Okay, right, now do one thing, change the file name here which is not exist. Okay, so just write here dash x which is not exist. Now run this file. So rerun the index.js and you can see here the error no such file or directory found. Okay, all right, now modify this file. For that we will use the same package fs package. Now make some changes here. So just just create a variable first which is where data and data is equal to new data, like let's say data is new file contains. Okay, all right, now call the write file method. So just write here write file. Okay, and inside the write file method just pass here the file name as your first parameter and second parameter is data, new data. Okay, and third parameter is the callback function. All right, now this part is good. Now change the message here. So if data is inserted, then just print here the message successfully written file. Alright, now save the file and rerun the index.js file. So type here node space index.js and press enter. You can see here successfully written to the file. Let's check the file. So go to the project and just click on message, and you can see here the new content. Okay, so in this way you can read and write files in nodejs. So that's all about reading and writing files. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.